Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up email forwarding in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, go to your email settings. Click on the setting icon at the top right and select See All Setting. In the Settings menu, go to the Forwarding and pop-up tab. Next, click on Add a forwarding address and enter the email address you want to forward messages to. A confirmation mail will be sent to the receiving email address. Now go to the receiving email account's inbox and find the confirmation mail from Google. Open the mail and click on the confirmation link to verify the forwarding request. Once confirmed, return to the original account settings to finalize and save the settings. Ensure you select Forward a copy of incoming mails and then click the Save button below. Enjoyed this educational video, please give it a thumbs up.